A month ago, we discovered that Mazda was genuinely considering adding all-wheel drive to the Mazda6 lineup because of appeal. Presently, more proof has surfaced that an all-wheel drive Mazda6 could be coming sooner than later. As first announced by Motor Trend, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration site has postings for both the 2018 Mazda 6 with a standard front-wheel drive powertrain and a 2018 with all-wheel drive. Tapping on the all-wheel drive interface uncovers that it has precisely the same appraisals and highlights recorded as the front-wheel drive demonstrate. The 2 pages additionally have connections to a similar specialized information sheets, which are all for the 2016 Mazda 6. This is the situation with the 2017 model recorded on the Mazda site, as well. Normally, this in no way, shape or form affirms that Mazda is conveying an all-wheel drive adaptation to the United States. It's conceivable the consideration was an oversight, or somebody may have even composed an A rather than a F while making that page. Yet in addition, considering Mazda's enthusiasm for offering all-wheel drive, the existence of all-wheel drive Mazda 6 variations abroad, and the feasible minor specialized obstacles to overcome, we'd say the chances are entirely strong that we'll see 4-driven wheels in a Mazda 6 soon, regardless of whether or not this model year